Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We are in Harrisburg, beautiful Pennsylvania, shutting up the trailer. We are at our local Boscos here in Harrisburg at the mall. We're going to go inside here. We're going to be cleaning carpeted area. We're using very low moisture here, VLM. Let's get in here and see what we're getting into. All right. Stay tuned. Hello, this is Brandon, and let's see what we're getting into. Like I said, we're at our Boscos here in our local mall in our area, and we're cleaning the carpets.
And I mean, it's everyone's defense. There's so many wires flying around here that I thought that they not even, I don't know.
This room doesn't get done. This room, she said, do. This is a closet. All right. Stay tuned. All right, so if you know our process, we start spraying down the grease spray. I already got the area where he's getting ready to start. And we allow it to dwell for about 4 to 5 minutes, which emulsifies the dirt. Emulsify meaning turning the dirt into a liquid. And then we use the pad to encapsulate it. So it's gonna get encapsulated into the carpet pad, and dirt is then gone. So as you can see, I'm just prepping the area, spraying it down really well. And he's gonna go over it with this carpet bonnet and get all this up. Now, this hasn't been done in a long time, at least over 2 years. So I'm not really expecting really big results. Also, you can see the carpet texture and is depleted. It's all the way down to its last leg. This is colored carpet. It's peach. They put this carpet in the 80s in here. This is most likely the original carpet that was built here when they constructed this. So it's going to be clean. It's going to be sanitized. It's going to look a lot better and smell really fresh. It's already smelling good already. So just getting that in there. When I let the door look, it's starting to get lighter and brighter already. Yep, you're good to go. That's the color already. Yeah, it's getting lighter. You got that down high, low enough?
That's what I thought it is.
It looks like it was fighting you.
What?
There we go. Look at the color of the carpet right there. Just a light difference. There. That was where it used to be. This is where it's at now. All right, go ahead, come in this room a little bit, come forward, and then just back out. So I could get the difference here. It was this color. You see this line here? That's what he's going to attack. It is.
Earlier, man.
Uh-huh.
You gotta warn me earlier.
Yeah, you know, I gotta get all the videos. carpets haven't been cleaned in 15 years. This is the original carpet of the Boscovs that we're at. It's coming up pretty good for that. See the difference in that corner there? Alright, so we're all finished and complete with the cleaning. As you can see, they came out amazing. Especially this room here. We'll see the video. Like I said, this carpets haven't been cleaned in 15 years. These are this is the original carpet of the Boscovs. Original. Over 15 years here.
Send them all over. Look at them.
Thank you, you too.
Just finishing up.
Did a great
We got all
job.
the stains. Everything's all finished and complete. Now that's the texture of the carpet. You can see there's like a color difference. That's just the texture of the carpet. So, all right, stay tuned for the next cleaning.